भारत जननीय जाते हैं। जय है कर्नाटक माते। मैं सबको प्रणाम करता हूँ। प्रतिभा साधने ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಜೂಬ್ಲಿ celebration. They are going to do very meaningful, wonderful. My mother said it, don't say it's a bland, say put a grain of salt. So in this occasion, what I'm asking, I'm receiving this Vishwa Sahitya Ratna Award. I'm really happy, but one thing I have to ask on behalf of so many dignitaries all over the world, they have my sincere thanks to those people who organized this function. पानी में मछली रो रहे थे, कौन देख दिया? We are seeing the tears of underwater fish. परमहंस जी को मालूम है, माता महादेवी, सीता देवी, शारदा देवी, विवेकानंद जी, अरविंद घोष, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, काजी नसरुल्लाह इस्लाम, रामण महर्षि, सब समुद्र को मालूम है, नदी को मालूम है, लेकिन मानव को मालूम नहीं है। मैं क्या पूछता हूँ? वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, वी हैव टू लव एवरीबडी, वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट एवरीबडी. The flying birds never build their nest at the sky. On this occasion, I ask everyone. Everybody is telling that रमेश कवि है, चिंतकार है, सामाजिक राजनीतिक कार्य करते हैं और चलनचित्र निर्माता है, सभी छोड़ता हूँ। मेरे का एक क्वालिफिकेशन है, मैं किसान का बेटा है, अभी किसान काम करता हूँ। ये मेरा हमारा जिंदगी में कौन बड़ा हाथ में है? राष्ट्रपति जी, प्रधानमंत्री जी, मुख्यमंत्री जी, IAS ऑफिसर से।
Nagatehalli Ramesh has emerged as a multifaceted personality in the fields of art and social welfare. Nagatehalli Ramesh, born on June 1, 1967, in a humble village in Mandya district of Karnataka, embodies resilience and creativity that transcends ordinary beginnings, overcoming a childhood stutter and urban hardships. This former fruit vendor and newspaper delivery boy transformed ridicule into triumph, earning degrees in science, law, and journalism from Bangalore and Mysore universities. Ramesh's journey reflects an indomitable spirit. Despite early humiliation, he channeled his frustration and pain into poetry, short films, and activism. His first poetry collection, The Sea and the Rain, was praised by Dr. G. Ramakrishna for its earthy resonance and celebration of the dignity of labor, stating, "He who has tilled the earth is a billionaire in the poetry of love." Translated into several languages, Ramesh's poems grace university textbooks and inspire songs. Bearing the clear influence of works ranging from Allama Prabhu to Neruda and Tagore. An exceptional communicator, Ramesh won over 100 debate awards in college despite his stutter. His short films, produced by N2 Productions, have garnered international acclaim for their focus on themes such as education, environment, and culture. Through Srishti Publications, he publishes books and cassettes, while also publishing the magazine Spardha Prapancha. Ramesh empowers rural youth, the founder of the socially conscious Mitra Mandali and president of Spandana Yuvajana Kendra. Ramesh travels globally, from Sri Lanka to Indonesia, sharing his experiences. A recipient of the Karnataka Youth Award and Environmental Honors, Ramesh helps those in need. Attributing his philanthropic spirit to the maternal grace of his life's guiding light, Padma Kempai. Ramesh, a follower of Gandhian ideology, believes in selflessness and compassion. And that even from humble beginnings, great things can be achieved. World Literature Gems, International Award presented to Shri Nagatehalli Ramesh as he well-known poet, thinker, short filmmaker, social, political activist and agriculturist Karnataka, India.
এইসব যাদের প্রতিভা আছে তাদের উৎসাহ দিয়ে সেটা যদি আপনারা করতে পারেন, করছেন চেষ্টা তাহলে খুব ভালো হবে। আমার এই নামটা ভালো লাগলো, কারণ বহু দরিদ্র মানুষ, যেমন বিদ্যাসাগর কি ছিলেন, বাবা ওকে কলকাতায় গেল হেঁটে, একটা মাইলস্টোন ছিল, মাইলস্টোন দেখে উনি ইংরেজি শিখে গেলেন। এরকম অনেকে একটা বিরাট প্রতিভা। আমাদের সুকিয়া স্ট্রিটের কাছে বাড়ি, এখান থেকে বেশি দূর না, কিন্তু অনেকেই জানে না তার বাড়িটা।